Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we're going to talk about our kettlebell outside clean combined with our normal clean. We've had our outside clean before, which looks a lot like a heavy club swipe intro movement, and our normal clean. We're going to take those two movements and we are going to combine them together. The more complex movements get, the more they challenge your core in different types of ways. That's what we want. Your core's job is to stabilize and create rotation, but for the most part, it stabilizes rotation. By changing the path of the kettlebell from outside to normal, we are changing the load on our core and changing the rotation over and over and over again. It is just going to make you stronger. With this exercise, we are going to point our feet straight ahead. We want to point our feet straight ahead because that's the way we should walk, and that's the way we do a lot of other more advanced walking kettlebell movements. Whenever we start to combine movements together, we go back to a static position and we rebuild until we get back to a walking version of the exercise. Our normal clean distance, a little bit closer together, just enough for one kettlebell distance between our feet. That is going to keep this knee out of the way when we go to do our outside swing. Check your distance by putting the kettlebell there. Okay, it's good. Start your kettlebell 12 to 18 inches out in front of you so that you can push the weight back. Hike your hips back. Keep your heels on the ground. Stand up using your glutes. Pull your kneecaps up. Breathe behind the shield. Bring your elbow into your side. L of the hand to the L of the kettlebell. Hike it back. Thumb points forward on the next version. In between, outside. Take this exercise and plug it in anywhere you would be doing a clean cycle. Oftentimes you could take and do a nerd math 10-minute section of training where you would just do cleans for 10 minutes. How you change hands is up to you. But you could take this and plug this right in there. If you are limited in your number of weights that you have available to you and you cannot go up in weight for your normal clean because of money or the availability of kettlebells, then you can go back and start adding more and more complexity to your 10 minutes of cleans. That will allow you to get much more out of the weights that you already have. You are mastering the equipment you have so that when it comes time and you have the availability of heavier weights, you are more prepared to go up in weight.